Hi, this is a continuation for the spider finger exercise that we did earlier. So for the spider, let's review the spider finger exercise. You can use any fret on the fretboard, but here I choose the 5th fret. Okay, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th fret using my 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger. Okay, for the first spider exercise, we only kind of scrolled one finger at a time going up the strings like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. While your other fingers, while your fingers going up like this, your other fingers are not moving. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, when you reach the top, the 6th string, you also practice going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, making sure that the other fingers are not moving while you're going down the frets, right? The string, sorry. So there again, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time, the second exercise for the spider exercise, actually, when it's actually the same, okay? Very same exercise, but when you fret those frets, you're gonna pluck it this time, okay? Now this will test your ability to fret those frets and pluck it clearly without your other fingering touching those strings. Now going up is fairly easy, just one finger at a time. All down plucks, downstrokes. Okay, easy, right? Okay, practice that. Now going down again. So this time in reverse, you're going down now. So one finger at a time, but this one is a little tricky because your other fingers are also in front of the first finger, right? So your 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger might be touching the 5th fret, the 5th string. So even though you're plucking it, you're fretting it correctly with your first finger here, like this, okay? Your other finger might be touching it, so it's not gonna ring properly. It's not gonna resonate properly. So make sure that you curl all your fingers, and you move your wrist forward just a little bit, not too much. That's bad. Okay, just a little bit to be able to curl all your fingers. Now, when you do the spider in reverse, going down now, here like this, make sure you feel your other fingers not touching the 5th string, like that. So when you pluck it, it resonates clearly. And you move on now to your 2nd finger, 3rd, and 4th finger. And then you just move on. Carry on to the other strings, lower strings. See? Now you saw me play this note, and then I play this one. While it's ringing, that's fine. That means your pinky's not moving. Okay, so that's okay. There, okay? So practice that spider exercise without plucking first. Then when you get comfortable, practice it with plucking. All right, so I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you in our next lesson.